Welcome back to Marketing Your Niche. If you've been wondering how to take what you know, what you are passionate about, and turn it into a profitable niche, you are in the right place, my friend. Today we are diving into Monetize What You Know, the beginner's guide to making your niche profitable. This episode is all about practical, beginner-friendly steps to get you on the path to income. So grab your notebook because by the end of this episode you'll have the exact steps you need to start profiting from your passion. Having been a teacher, I love guiding my students to enhance their skills, explore their passions, and unleash their creativity. Little did I know, I was actually helping them to lay the groundwork for their own unique paths. That's why I launched this podcast, to assist you in doing the same. Marketing Your Niche, it's all about discovering your niche, taking action before you are ready, focusing on consistent progress, and move ahead to building a profitable online business, even if you are not sure you are doing it right. Tune in for practical advice, actionable marketing tips, and strategies to build a business that brings you more freedom, more profit, even more joy. Let's get started. Let's start with the key idea. Every single person has unique knowledge or experiences that are valuable to others. Maybe it's a skill you are honed over the years, a hobby you are passionate about, or an insight from your professional life. Whatever it is, I'm here to show you how to turn this knowledge into an income stream. Today, I will break this down into 5 actionable steps that will guide you from idea to profit. Step 1 is to identify and refine your niche. This is where you focus on exactly what you know and what you want to serve. Think about your strengths and areas where people already turn to you for advice. Are you great at digital marketing? A pro at organizing? Skilled at a hobby like photography? Make a list of these strengths and see if they intersect with the specific audience need. For example, let's say you are passionate about photography and often you help friends with tips on improving their skills. Your niche could be teaching beginner photographers how to use a camera confidently without being overwhelmed. The more specific you can be, the better you will be able to connect with your audience and stand out. Now that you have a niche in mind, it's time to define your value proposition. This is all about answering the question, what should people listen to me or buy from me? Start by thinking about the unique approach you bring. Maybe it's your teaching style, the way you make complex things simple, or the results you've gotten yourself or others. Let's go back to our photography example. Your value proposition could be something like, I help new photographers confidently shoot in manual mode in just 30 days without feeling intimidated by the settings. Notice how clear and specific this is. It speaks to exactly who you help and what you help them achieve. Step 3 is where the money-making magic happens. There are several ways to monetize a niche, so choose the model that best fits your skills and audience. Here are a few popular options. Coaching or consulting is perfect if you like working one-on-one. Online courses, it's great if you have knowledge that can be taught in steps. Ebooks or guidelines is ideal for those who are enjoying writing. Memberships or subscriptions work well if you want to provide ongoing value. Freelance services. This is great for hands-on skills like design or writing. Using our photography example again, if you are interested in teaching, you could create a course called Mastering Manual Mode, a 30-day photography bootcamp, and offer it as a paid class online. Building audience is essential for making your niche profitable. Even with the best product, without an audience, it's tough to make sales. Here are practical ways to start building your community. Social media. Post helpful tips, share your journey, and use relevant hashtags. Email list. Offer a freebie or guide to start collecting emails. Collaborations. Partner with others in your niche or similar fields. Podcasts or YouTube. Share valuable content to position yourself as an authority in your field. For our example, you could share mini tutorials on Instagram and invite followers to join your email list for a free beginner's guide to camera settings. This builds trust and keeps them coming back for more. Finally, it's time to launch and test your offer. Start by creating a small, affordable version of your product or service to get feedback. This could be a mini course, a workshop, or a paid guide. The goal here is to see what resonates with your audience without a massive invest upfront. In our photography example, you could launch a camera confidence workshop as a 1-hour live session. Invite a small group, get feedback, and improve the offer before scaling it up. This way you learn what works and get paid to do it. These 5 steps, defining your niche, clarifying your value, choosing a monetization model, building an audience, and launching, are the foundation for turning what you know into a profitable niche. Each step builds on the last, and with consistency, you'll start seeing growth. So, if you are ready to get started, pick one of these steps and take action today. Remember, progress is better than perfection, and before you know it, your niche will start working for you, generating income and connecting you with people who value what you have to offer. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Marketing Your Niche. I hope you are excited to put these steps into action. If you found this helpful, please leave a comment or review. I would like to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making your niche work for you. Until next time, keep building, keep growing, and keep making your mark. Bye for now.